ladies and gentlemen, and welcome. In this project video, I'm going to show you how you can create such type of portfolio website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Alright, as you can see from my computer screen, here we have that we are going to design right now in this video. As you can see here, a logo in the left side, and also we have a navigation menus in the right side, having a beautiful hover effect, and also we have auto typing text right here. Not only this, we have different social media links, and also we have call to action buttons, hire me button, and download CV button right here. The best part for this design is when I reload this website, you see different animations right here. You see? Alright, before directly jump right into the design part, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and press the notification bell icon. With that being said, let's dive right in. Alright, here we have the project folder. Right here we have index.html document, JS folder, image folder, and CSS folder. We have CSS folder right here. Inside this CSS folder we have style.css document and img folder. Having this, now let me open this inside VS Code. Then select the folder. Here we have my project folder right here, and select folder right here. Alright, here we have index.html document right here. As you can see here, we have just linked style.css with an HTML document right here, and also we are going to find font awesome CDN links right here. To find the font awesome CDN links right here, head over cdnjs.com. This font awesome is very useful in order to use different icons right here. So head over cdnjs.com right here. So you see, this is a free and an open source CDN. So, and then come over here inside this, come over here and search right here font awesome. After that, copy this, the first link, and then paste right here. Alright, I've just already linked it, and then here we have the jQuery link. So again, come over here and come over cdnjs.com and find jQuery. Here we have the jQuery CDN link right here. So copy the script tag and then come over here and paste right here. No matter, I've just already linked it. Oh yeah. Now again, we are going to select the fonts that we are going to use. So to do this, head over fontsgoogle.com and find any font type that you're interested in. So then simply click this and then copy this link. So now I'm very interested in to use Poppins right here. After that, then select this link and then come over here and paste right here. It is simple, right? Alright. Now here we have the universal selector right here. Margin 0, padding 0, box sizing, border box, text decoration none, outline none, as well as border none. So, alright. So to test it, here we have, right? Alright, now let's jump right into the design part. So first we are going to create a div. So first we are going to create an element, a header element right here. Inside this header element, we are going to nest another div element having a class name navbar. Inside this div element having a class name navbar, we are going to nest a div element having a class name logo. Inside this logo, we are going to nest an h1 element right here, and then again, inside this navbar, we are going to create an order list right here having a class name menu items right here. Inside this unordered list, we are going to create a menu items right here, or a menu bar right here. The first menu bar right here is the home And second, about portfolio service, we have a service section, and also again we have a contact section right here. So contact. Alright, now when I save and refresh, here we have, right? Oh, we made a mistake right here. Here is it, right? So when I save and refresh, here we have, right? Oh yeah, this is the HTML part. Now let's jump right into to style this HTML document. First, we have a color that we are going to use to design this web page. So here we have variables. Here we have the color variables right here. You can assign a name as you want, right? And here we have root. So it's easier, right? After that, using these element selectors, HTML and body element selector, now let me add some property value pair. For this, font size 60 pixel, line height, here we have letter spacing 1 pixel, background, here we have, right? Here we have the background color, here we have the text color right here, text color, overflow in the X direction, hidden, font family, poppins, and also sans serif. After that, when I save and refresh, here we have, right, a navigation menu having a nice background color. After that, using this navbar class selector, let me add some property value pairs right here. Alright, navbar position fixed top 0, left 0. And then display flex, align items, all center, justify content, space between. Padding 8 pixels from top and bottom and also 7% from left and right with 100%. Box shadow 0, 0, 40 pixel, and here we have the box shadow color right here. Here we have the shadow color. We use the main color right here. Save and refresh. Here we have a nice navigation bar right here. Alright, after that, now let me style this logo right here. So to do this, we use this logo class selector and an H1 element selector right here. So color, we use this main color right here, and then again copy and paste right here. Now let me style the text which is found inside the logo class, which is found inside the span element right here. So color, let me change the color for this. So we have var, and we are going to use, before that, when I save and refresh, here we have, right? That's it. We use text color right here. After that, we are going to add a background color right here. Background, for the navigation bar, we use SGBG color, right? Oh yeah. After that, when I save and refresh, here we have a nice navigation bar. And then now let me style this navigation link or menu items using this class selector, menu items, and an element selector, align. So list style none, display align block, text align, center, padding 0.4 rem from top and bottom and 1 rem from left and right. After that, when I save and refresh, here we have a nice navigation menu right here. After that, again using now this class selector and an anchor element selector right here, let me add some property value pairs. So the first property, let me say font size 1.2 rem, and color, we have a main color, font weight 500, cursor pointer. Here we have. Now let me add text transform right here, capital uppercase instead of small case, uppercase right here. Here we have. After that, copy this and paste right here. And now let me add hover over effect over this navigation menu right here. So we use right here color, we use this color, and border bottom to pixel solid. Again we use this color right here. Oh yeah. When I save and refresh, this should be a hover over effect, so we are going to add a pseudo class selector hover and transition 0.5 second is. After that, when I save and refresh, here we have a beautiful navigation menu having a nice hover over effect right here. Now, let me design the home section for this portfolio website. So as always, create a section element right here having a class name home container. Inside this section element, we are going to nest a div element having a class name content box. Inside this, we have an h3 element, an h1 element, and again an h3 element right here, and also a paragraph element. So now again we are going to create a div element having a class name social media. So now copy this text right here and come over here and paste right here. Here we have, right? After that, when I save and refresh, here is it. Now remove this and let's say I am web developer. We are going to make this an auto typing. Now inside this div element we are going to nest different social media links right here, which is nested inside anchor tag. After that, we are going to create a div element have a class name template button for the call to action buttons. So here we have the first call to action button. Let me say hire me button, and the second call to action button is the download TV button, right? After that, outside of this, we are going to create a div element having a class name content image for the image. Here we have the image right here. So now image, we have image tag and we have source attribute. Here we have the image path right here, image, and here we have the image name. Alright. After that, we are going to come over fontawesome.com and find any icon that you interested in. For me, let's say for YouTube right here. So copy this code snippet and paste right here. Now I'm not going to waste your time. I did it offline, right? So here we have, right? So now when I save and refresh, here we have different social media icons right here. Here is the HTML part. Now let's jump right into to style this home section, right? So using this class selector right here, home container, display flex, align item center, justify content, space between, padding top, 50 rem, gap, 5 rem, padding top, 10 rem. Here we have home container, not home content right here. So home container, copy this class name and paste right here. After that, when I save and refresh, here we have, right? Oh yeah. Again, using this class selector content box, let me add some property value pair. Here we have content box right here. So flex 50 rem color. Let me say the color for this, the text color, which is text color right here, and flex wrap. Copy this again and paste right here. Now here we have content image class selector. So copy and paste right here. After that, change this flex width right here. Flex 1130 rem. Again, copy this, and for the image, using this image element, let me add some property value pair with 100%. Alright, after that, when I save and refresh, here we have, right? Now, let me style this H1 element right here. So to do this, we use descendant selector, content box, and an element selector H1. For this H1, font size 3.5 rem, font weight, bold, line height 1.5, line height 1.5, and then copy and paste right here. And now let me target this span element right here. Span, color, we use main color. When I save and refresh, here we have, right? Instead of web developer right here we have, right? Web developer. As you can see here, there is no line space between the line, right? You see, there is no line space between the line, right? We made a mistake right here. List height, list style. It is not list style, rather it is line height, right? Line height 1.5. So when I save and refresh, here we have, right? Oh yeah, that's it. Now let me style this paragraph. Now let me style this paragraph elements right here. So here we have text align, justify, line height 1.5 rem, and margin 1.5 rem from top and bottom, and 0 from left and right. So here we have, right? Here we have, right? It's pretty nice. Oh yeah. Now let me style these social media links. So to do this, we use this social media class selector and an anchor element selector. Here we have property value pair, display line, flex, justify content, center, align item center, width for rem, weight, height for rem, and font size 2.2 rem, and border radius 50%, background transparent. So when I save and refresh, here we have. So it's better to decrease the weight and the height for these social media links. Let me say 3 rem for height and 3 rem for weight, right? So here we have. Oh yeah. Now copy this and paste right here in order to add some hover effect while we click these social media links, right? So background, we have a background color. Let me say var. We use this color right here, text color, and for the text color right here, we use var main color. Oh yeah, for text color, we have color, and for background it's better to use the main color, right? Oh yeah, and box shadow 1001 rem, and we use the main color again. So when I save and refresh, here we have it's better, right? Oh yeah, that's it. Now let me style these call to action buttons right here. So we use template btn class selector right here and an anchor element selector right here. So display inline block, padding 0.8 rem and 2.5 rem. Color we have this color, background we have this background, and then border we have this, right? And margin 30 pixel, text transform uppercase. That's it. Save and refresh. Here we have, right? That's it. So now we are going to style this download CV pattern in different way. First, cursor pointer right here, transition 0.5 second is. Here we have, right? After that, now copy this and paste right here. remove this. Now we are going to style this last child in different way, right? So we use this pseudo class selector last child, and then let me add some property value pair. We have color, we use the color right here, and background color also. Let me say we use the main color, not the text color, we use the text color right here, and again border thin solid, and we have a border color right here, text color. After that, when I save and refresh, here we have, right? These two buttons have different styles, right? Now let me add hover over effect for both this call to action button. For the first child, we have a pseudo class selector hover, and now let me add some property value pair. Remove this and box shadow 001 rim, and we have a shadow color right here. We use the main color. After that, when I save and refresh, here we have a nice hover over effect. So now let me add a hover over effect for the download CV call to action buttons, right? So let me change right here the background color, just like this one. Nothing will happen over here. Instead of the first child, it is the last child, right? Oh yeah, that is it. It is pretty nice. You see? Now, using this class selector right here container, we are going to add an image right here. So we are going to add a background image right here having a linear gradient. So here we have background image having a linear gradient, right? Here you have the image URL, and then now let me add some property value pair, background position, bottom, background size, cover, width 100%, height 200 pixels. After that, when I save and refresh, here we have a background image. Why? Okay, why this happen? Because we should specify the position for this image right here. So the position for this image absolute, the position for the parent element should be relative. Here we have the parent element right here, home container. So the position for this parent element should be relative, and position absolute, top 0, left 0. After that, when I save and refresh, here we have, right, for the top, we say top right here. So now instead of top, it should be bottom, right? Again, when I save and refresh, here we have, it's pretty nice. Again, as you can see here, the call to action button is not clickable, right? Again, as you can see here, you see, so come over here and specify the z-index value for this content box. So z-index 1. After that, here we have, right? Oh yeah, that's it. As you can see here again, the image right here, it is over the navigation bar, right? It aligns over the navigation bar, right? So come over here, navigation bar, and the z-index value 100. You see, here we have, right? Oh yeah, that is how you can create such portfolio website, right? Now let me make the text an auto typing. So to do this, we need to have a CTL link right here. So head over on Google search bar and type .js right here. So while doing this, here we have the first link. So click this link right here on the GitHub page right here. We have this, right, typed.js. So copy this CDN link right here, copy the CDN link right here, and come over here, come over into index.html and paste right here. I have just already linked, so here we have, right. Now here we have index.html document. So now over here again, come over here and copy this, and paste right here. And now let me make some changes right here. First, over here, remove this web developer right here. It's not necessary. And then inside this span element, we are going to create a class name. Let me say auto type. You can assign any name as you want, right? It's up to you, right? So now copy this class name and come over here and paste right here. So var typed equals new typed, then class name right here. After that, we are going to create a list of rows right here. So we have deleted. After that, let me save right here and observe the result. Here we have, right? You see this icon right here. So now let me add web developer, YouTuber, online instructor, and fashion designer. So when I save and refresh, here we have, right? You see, alright, as you can see here, type speed 50, and also we are going to add another property right here, back speed, let me say 100, back delay, let me say 1000, and loop through. After that, save and refresh. Here we have the back speed. As you can see here, the back speed is slow. When I save again, it's also slow right here. Let me minimize the number. Let me decrease the number right here. Let me say back speed 60. Save again. It's pretty nice, right? Alright, here we have, right? In the next video, we are going to make this website fully responsive for any device, and also we are going to make this website interactive in dark mode and also in light mode, just like this one. So if this content is valuable, make sure to subscribe and press the notification bell icon to to be notified when I come out a daily training video just like this one. That being said, thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.